Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. This is the Touring Edition, 1500 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape, only has 15,000 miles, and it's in the blacked out Super Sport styling. Leather locking saddlebags, full windscreen. It's got a GPS up in the front. Shaft drive. Come on by. Make your big bore cruiser dreams come true for just $74.99 with this BOSS C90T. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.